Question 6. The shape ABC shown in the diagram is a student's design for the sail of a small boat. Curve AC has got this equation, fine. Curve B has got this equation, fine. Part A says state the x-coordinate of point A. So we can see here this x-coordinate is on when y equals 0, and therefore we just need to substitute y equals 0 into our first equation. So we get 0 equals 2 log 2x, like that. You could then just write 0 equals log 2 of x, like that. And then to solve that, you'd get x equals 2 to the power of 0, which is therefore 1. So A has got the coordinate 1, 0. The answer is 1. Right. Part B. Determine the x-coordinate of point B. So for point B, it makes sense that we can substitute y equals 0 into our other log equation. So we're going to get 0 equals log 2 x minus 3 over 2 plus 3. The way that we can first of all solve this is by taking away 3 from both sides. So minus 3 equals log 2 x minus 3 over 2. To solve that, we can get 2 to the power of minus 3 equals x minus 3 over 2. I don't need to write that bracket in. I'll get rid of that bracket. And so what we get when we solve this is we get 1/8, because 2 to the power of minus 3 is 1/8, equals x minus 3 over 2. And therefore, to solve for x, you add 3 over 2 to both sides, which gives you that x equals 13 over 8, or 1.625, like that. Right, so for part C, by solving an equation involving logarithms, show that this is the x-coordinate of C. Now, most people that I've marked knew what they needed to be doing here, but struggled with like the actual solving. So to solve this, we would say that this equation equals this equation, and then we're looking for the points where the two lines intersect. So with that in mind, we're going to write 2 log base 2x equals log 2 x minus 3 over 2 plus 3. A good first step is to get all of your logs onto one side, and so to do that I'm going to take this log away from the other side, and so then we're going to get 2 log 2x equal, ignore that, that's meant to say minus log 2 x minus 3 over 2 equals 3, like that. Now you might be tempted to combine these logs into one single log at this stage, but you can't do that, because first of all we need to stop this being written as 2 log 2x, and so to get rid of that problem we're going to rewrite this using our power law for logs. So our power law for logs is log base 2x squared minus log base 2 x minus 3 over 2 equals 3. Now once it looks like that, we can rewrite this using our division law for logs, because when you've got two logs being subtracted, you can rewrite that as a division, and so we're going to get log 2 x squared over x minus 3 over 2 equals 3. Now it looks like that, the rest of the solving should be reasonably straightforward. So with this, we're going to get 2 to the power of 3 to kind of get rid of this log from being here. So 2 cubed equals x squared over x minus 3 over 2. We know that 2 cubed is 8, and so what we're going to do is we're going to multiply these now. So 8 times x is 8x. 8 times 3 over 2 is 12 equals x squared. And so now we've got an equation in terms of x for us to solve. So x squared minus 8x plus 12 equals 0. This factorises x minus 6, x plus 2. Oh, sorry, that's a mistake. That should be x minus 2 just here. Equals 0. And therefore, x equals 2 is a valid solution to the equation. So this point here has got an x coordinate of 2. We don't know its y coordinate yet. Finally, for part D, it is given, correct the three significant figures, the area of the sail is 0.656 units squared. Fine. Calculate how much the area is overestimated or underestimated when the curved edges of the sail are modelled as straight lines. So with that in mind, if these are straight lines, then ABC is a triangle. And so we are going to work out the area of ABC. Now, to find the area of a triangle, you didn't need to make this really complicated. You just need to do the base times the height divided by 2. So in terms of working out the base of this triangle, we worked out earlier that A has got coordinate, or x coordinate 1, and we worked out that B earlier had x coordinate 13/8. So to work out the base of this triangle, it's just going to be 13/8 minus 1, which is 5/8. So the base of this triangle is 5/8. The height of the triangle. So to work out the height of the triangle, we just need to know how tall C is going to be. Now we know the x coordinate of C was 2 because we worked it out earlier on, or it told us in the question. Let's work out the y coordinate of point C. And to do that, if we substitute 2 into here, what are we going to get? We get 2. So this point is 2, 2. So we're going to do 5/8 times by 2. And because this is a triangle, divide it by 2, which therefore gives an answer that the area of the triangle is 5/8. Once you've done that, then we need to work out if that's an underestimate or an overestimate. 5/8 is the same as 0.625, and so therefore we've definitely underestimated because the actual thing is 0.56, whereas we've only got 0.625 units squared. To work out how much we've underestimated by, we just need to do a subtraction. So 0.656 take away 0.625 gives an answer of 0.031 units squared. And so the key kind of things it was looking for in this answer, we're looking for the word underestimated, and then we're looking for this specific amount.